Hey everybody, how's it going? A lot of people have been emailing and commenting asking of what I think of this report. It's called the Investigation of Competition in Digital Markets, Majority Staff Report and Recommendations from the Subcommittee on Antitrust, Commercial and Administrative Law of the Committee on the Judiciary. And this says it's from Gerald Nadler, Chairman, Committee on the Judiciary. So how do I feel about this document? Because they were going over Apple and Amazon and Google and Facebook and any sort of antitrust, anti-consumer activity, anti-small business kind of stuff. What do I think of it? Well, I could explain this to you very quickly. So this is a 449-page PDF, and the word repair was mentioned 6 times. The first time it was mentioned was regarding Google Maps and people looking for repair services. Second time was Google Maps. Third time was about a local home repair service found through Google. The fourth time was not in the report, but in a citation in the report where it says that they were investigating competition and conduct in resale and repair markets for Apple products. And then the next time it was mentioned was, Google Maps. So when it comes to anything regarding right to repair, anything regarding repair services, repair practices, making devices in a manner or designing them specifically to not be repairable by independent repair shops, not because they're too technically advanced, but just, screw them. We're just not going to let them have access to the chips. In a 449-page document, there's no mention of it whatsoever. There's one line, not in the document, but next to the link used in a citation. This isn't an act. I'm just genuinely speechless. I've been putting... There's a lot of work and effort that's gone into getting normal people to find what I do, my profession, my craft, to be something that's kind of cool, something that may be worth trying out. Let me crack open something that doesn't work and see if I can solve this puzzle and figure it out. And maybe if I get enough people to find that fun, that they'll want to share in it with me, and they won't like the fact that modern day companies and modern day culture have been looking to shut down this exciting thing that helps you with your brain and helps you figure out, a logical detective's kind of mindset for navigating electronics and engineering, and allows you to save some money if you're not able to afford a new one, and allows you to make some money if you just lost your job. And sometimes I just get hit by a train with the reality that after like 6 years of work on that, lots of lobbying, lots of showing up, lots of just like really grassroots stuff, that something like this can come out. And in a 449-page report, it doesn't get a mention. I know, Mr. Clinton. I know. He started purring. That's all I have to say to that. That's it for today, and as always, I hope you learned something. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.